Two people were shot dead and a man injured in Bigwood district in Craighead on Saturday night, sending shockwave in the northeast Manchester farming community. Police identified the deceased as 39-year-old Tanisha Burton, otherwise called Browning, and 74-year-old Wilford Mallison, otherwise called Danny, both residents of Bigwood district. Police said about 10 p.m. residents reported hearing loud explosions in the area. When police arrived at a shop in the area, 3 people were found suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where Mallison and Burton were pronounced dead. The injured man, who was shot in the back and collapsed after running, was admitted for treatment. Police theorized that Burton may have been the intended target of the incident. The incident had left the community in a state of shock. The police in Uchiraya, St. Anna, are probing the fatal shooting of a man in the town on Friday evening. The deceased has been identified as 30-year-old Otis Henry, otherwise called Tissy, of Main Street, Pineapple Place, Uchiraya. Henry was reportedly attacked and stabbed along Market Street, Uchiraya, about 7 p.m. The St. Catherine South Police have launched an investigation into the shooting death of a 50-year-old resident of Bannister District near Old Harbour. The deceased has been identified as Onid Bailey of Pointy Heights, Bannister Housing Scheme, St. Catherine. She was reported at about 9:30 p.m. Friday. Explosions were heard and Bailey was found dead with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. An extradition hearing is pending against an Hanover man who is wanted by United States authorities on multiple lotto scamming related charges, including wire and mail fraud. Dwayne Addison, alias Blue, a 35-year-old resident of Old Road District in Lucy, Hanover, was arrested on Thursday. His arrest was as a result of the collaborative efforts of units from the Jamaica Fugitive Apprehension Team, the Lottery Scam Task Force, and the Area 1 Operation Support Team. Police report indicate that about 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. on Thursday, law enforcers conducted an operation in Old Road District. During the operation, Anderson was found inside a house and was taken into custody. Police investigators reported that the Jamaican is wanted in the U.S. on charges of money laundering, wire fraud, mail fraud, and other lottery scamming activities.